Hello everyone, welcome to this day 5 of our challenge Advent of Spring Boot. We saw how to create an API with some endpoint and two ways of building routes for API in Spring Boot. One that I prefer and the other one that is more used. Today we're gonna see how to handle errors properly. So let's dive into the code. Okay, cool. So in order to do that, we need to get back to our router functions, and our router function can have a handler, and we are going to create a new global error handler. Create a class, package. Cool, and he automatically detected that we needed to it needed to be an handler filter function. So let's see what we need to do. So we need to implement the method. So let's implement the filter method, and we could do that, but it's not a good way. So let's try something else. So let's catch runtime exception E and return a server response dot status http status not found body dot get message. Let's add another catch in case we don't do anything. So it will be an internal server error. Why did I choose to use the turn next Intel request? Cool. So why did I choose to catch the runtime exception? Let me show you. Let me show you in my handler. You can see that we throw a runtime exception, and let's let's write customer not found. Customer not found. Exclamation mark. And let's run our application, see if we handle our case properly. There is a few chains that our UUID exists in our API, so let's call that, and we get a 404 customer not found. But it's a bad habit to use the runtime exception, so because other part of our code or library could throw a runtime exception, so it's a good practice to create, let's say, a proper exception to handle our case. Exception. And of course, it will extend our runtime exceptions. Runtime exceptions, sorry for my bad English. I'm trying to improve, actually. So let's create a constructor with empty, let's say. And let's go super text message, and let's write message we wrote before, customer not found. Cool. And so in case we throw an error, now we just need to throw a resource not found exception. While any lambda new cool. And I guess that's it. Let's check again. Yeah. And in case we throw, no. Let's make exception properly. Yeah. We don't want to catch all the exception. We just want to handle the one we try. So in case of random exception is thrown, it will be over there, and we should handle it. So let's restart our application. Started. And let's do our test again. Customer not found with 4.4. That's cool. We could try to see if it goes where we want to go. Let's add some debug point, breakpoint, and restart our application in debug mode. Okay, cool. So let's do our curl. We see that it goes here. Try to handle it. It doesn't work. There is an exception that is launched, and we can see that. So exception, customer not found. Cool. Actually, I'm just gonna check if we are able to go there. So let's rerun it. Not yet, just a calculation. So we try to handle a request. It goes in our handler. It tries to do the following code. It's gonna fail in the ID because it doesn't find it. So we throw a resource not found exception, and we go to the resource not found catch, and we handle it with a proper message. And cool. Cool, that's it for today. Just a few minutes to see how we handle exception. Tomorrow we'll see a bit about the problem detail spec that has been introduced in Spring Boot 3. So see you on day 6 of our Advent of Code, and peace.